What's up, guys? Welcome back to my page. My name still remain my calculate. And
Alright guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use the ChatGPT to create a lot of stuff. So this will be the first tutorial because I might put the video in series or cut it into smaller videos so that people can easily watch all of them at once. So I have been seeing a lot of updates regarding ChatGPT, copy AI, paper type, and many other things that people are saying, okay, what how am I going to use ChatGPT to create sales copy and the rest? So I'll be using ChatGPT and I'm going to show you the sales copy that I've used it for and how you can create sales copy with my own strategy. I have a new strategy that I'm using that will make the copy more like it will be looking more persuasively like an human being, like it is written by an human. So now what you do is that either you are using laptop or you are using a smartphone, doesn't really matter. What that matters is that what you type into the site. Site is just like a robot. So whatever you tell robot to do, that's what it will do. You grab. So now let's go to ChatGPT. So just type chat GTP, chat GTP, just like this to Google. Now this is what it will open. The first one that you're looking here, this is what it will open. Just click on this right now like this. It will tell you to create an account or something. Now this is the app, like this is the website rather. So it will tell you to do all these things, registered and rest. But now let me go back and show you something. You can see we have a lot of sites talking about chat gtp. It's trending already. So all you have to do is like you log in because of me, I've registered already. So all you have to do is like you where's the register? I'm trying to look for the register button. Register. Okay, I think this is it. Try GTP. I've registered already. I know what to do. Like this is what I've typed RDPR. I want to go to my own site. So it's open9.com, like openai.com. Now this is the website. I've already registered. This is what it will bring when you've registered before. Now let's assume you haven't registered. All you have to do is type chat GPT, chat CHAT, then GPT on Google. So go to this website, register. It will tell you to sign in, or you just type how to sign in on ChatGPT on Google. Anyhow, you have it. So it will bounce you back to this page that you are looking on my smartphone. Now, what you want to do is that you come straight down to this place. You see a small space here to tell you what you want exactly, like what you want to do. Now, what I want to do is like I want to instruct ChatGPT to help me to write a Facebook sales copy to sell something. Now, the first thing you are going to do is like, I told you earlier that you are talking to a robot. So whatever you tell robot to do, that's what it will do. You grab. So now, I want you to write a sales copy to sell. Let me just pick a product now. Let's say I want to sell a web design course, or I want to sell anything like web design, like how to create a website. So I'll just type, please write. There's nothing like please write sales copy to sell a website design course. Make it more appealing. No, let me not write this one. I want to show you something. A website design course that is only 30,000. Let me put the price here. That is 30,000 with valuable resources, and support group. Let me put it this way. So this I want ChatGPT to write this for me. Now I've typed it already, so it will blink like just like normal human being reason. Grab. So are you ready to take your web design skill to it is typing? Let's see your waste for like three, let me say 1 minute. So everything we typed you will see now. So you wait for a while. He's typing already. He's type everything about the course. He's type this and that. So okay, you stick on like this is it. So this is sales copy. See, are you ready to take your web design skills to the next level? Look no further. Our comprehensive website design course is here to help you succeed. For just 30,000 you will get valuable access to blah 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 and all this. So if you don't want anything, like for example, let's say the website design course is just for WordPress and maybe what's the other website now, let's say WordPress and car.co now. So all you want to do is like, instead of saying, you see something like HTML, Photoshop, and standard tools like HTML and the rest, you don't want to write HTML or coding or something. So just type ChatGPT, like tell them that it is without coding and no need for HTML. So it is this three dot that you're seeing here, this place is just like showing that it's typing something at the down side. So this tell them that it is without coding and no need for. So are you ready to create beautiful professional websites without any coding now or HTML knowledge? You can see this one is already handling their objections. Me, I already know their objections. Like objections is like what is stopping them from taking action. Like they be thinking, okay, is it with coding? I don't know how to code, or is it with laptop or smartphone? So what you want to do, like say you want to remove the objection, what you want to do is like you tell them, okay, remove, and tell them, like let them know that okay, is this with any device, maybe it is it is your smartphone, or with on any device, maybe laptop, with your laptop, with your PC, with your smartphone, iPhone and the rest. So just tell them, so you write a very great source copy for you, then you copy. Now you've written it already, just copy like this, copy, scroll down and copy. I don't want to copy this. Now how can you write a sales copy to sell, like let's say you want to sell, you sell physical product like iPhones, you sell gadgets, you sell microphone, you sell ring lights and rest. So let's just type something like write write a short copy to sell a ring ring light plus let's say microphone and tripod stand tripod stand. Now looking up your streaming game or improve the quality of your video content. Now this one, like this thing is configured. Everything that you tell your robot to do, that's what it will do. You grab. So the only thing is that it might not be so persuasive at first, but now it has written in, like look at this thing, like looking to up your streaming game or improve the quality of your video content. That's just the like headline. What I want you to do now, just make it more emotional. We sell with emotion. Emotional make it more emotional, so it will add more persuasive word. Are you tired of poorly lit grinding videos that fail to capture your true essence? Now this one, do you know the only challenge about this one is that tired of poorly lit, all this lit graining, most people might not even understand the meaning of graining and lit, you grab. So you want to add something that is very small, that at least an average human being can understand. You just use Grammarly. I expect every business owner to have Grammarly app on their phone, either you're a writer or not. So you need Grammarly. Just change the synonyms. Just find synonyms that are very simple, something that anybody can easily understand, you grab. So then you can see this one is more better and is more punchy, you grab. So that doesn't mean that this one is not okay. That doesn't mean that this one is not going to work, you grab. So instead of saying okay, I don't have copy, I've seen people running ads with very poor sales copy, or some of them might just write a one sentence line. Some people on even WhatsApp status, let's say you want to organize WhatsApp training, you just create your flyer and you put the group link or the link to your DM in the next slide. So it's not that okay. Now you want to write a WhatsApp short copy, just 700 character, just type it here that okay, write a short copy to sell blah 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 that I want to sell. Then we can just cut small part that you feel like okay, this one is more, I really love this part, this one is more appealing, this one is more this and that. So that's what you do. It's very simple, it's not that hard. Then you can also do a lot of stuff. Let's say you want to write a home page, a home page writing, like all this UI US writing. You grab like writings that you see on website and all those blog. You want to write blog or something, or you want to even create, like this thing is having a lot of benefit, a lot of benefit, but I might not be able to figure out everything here. I might not be able to explain everything now. Let's say I need something that I want to post on Facebook. I don't know what to post on my Facebook, so I'll just come to this place. I'll just type, give me give me 20 content content idea for Facebook ads and Instagram course. Give me 20 content ideas for Facebook ad and Instagram course. So this, like, what I mean by ideas is like what I'm going to post or what I'm going to type maybe on Facebook or on Instagram and the rest. So let's go like, give me 20 content ideas. Now, you say 10 tips for creating attention grabbing Facebook card. You write it down. As a marketer or business person, you need a book. So if you can see this one, this is a book. Like beside me here, I'm having something that I want to write. I have a board at the front of me. So I have everything. I document them. Whatever I want to do, I let people know that, okay, whatever I want to do, I write it here first before bringing it online. Most people just feel like, okay, WhatsApp status, I love what you're posting on your WhatsApp status, I love this and that. They don't know that most of these things are back end work, like it requires back end work. Your own personal effort is very important. No matter the cost you are getting, maybe it's 10,000, it's 100,000, 1 million naira, and the rest, it doesn't really matter. What that matters is what you put in, your energy you grab. So all these things are not going to work. It's not going to be okay for you if you don't put in your energy. I'm not going to take your phone and write on chat GPT. I'm not going to do anything for you, grab. So all these things are very important. Now, 10 tips for creating attention grabbing Facebook card. The ultimate guide to Instagram marketing, maximizing blah 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 blah. So all these things, you write them down somewhere. You can just copy and put it in your keep notes if you can't write. We don't have time to be writing them down. So you just copy like this. You long press it to copy. If it's on your laptop, it's on anything, you just copy everything. Put it in your keep note on your phone. Keep note is just an app that you allow you to keep your content or keep your short jotings and all of them for sometimes. Now you've written it, you want to do, you now want to talk about power of storytelling, social media advertising, or maximizing engagement of Facebook and Instagram ads, do's and don'ts of Instagram influencer marketing, creating high converting Facebook and Instagram landing page, advanced targeting techniques for Facebook and Instagram ads. So these are their objections. These are the things people are asking or typing. You can even go on Google and search for Facebook ads. Just type Facebook ads. So it will bring all those. I call it like Google autocomplete content. Google autocomplete, like when you type Facebook ad, you see some. Let's try it now. Let's try what I'm trying to say now. Let's see Facebook ad. Facebook ad. You see all those things that you've seen. Yeah, yeah. No, let me do it again. You see what I'm saying? Let's say Instagram ad. Instagram ad. So Instagram ads. So all those content that pop up when I'm trying to type Instagram ads, those are autocomplete. Those are the things that people are searching. You see, people also ask. People will refine this content, refine this search, Instagram ad manager, Instagram ads, and all of them. People also ask how much your is cost to create that. So all these things, you can just copy them, then put it on Chat GPT and Chat GPT. I want to go back to where I was before. Now, you put it in this place, you type what you want to do with it, you type everything you want to do with it. This app is or website is free of charge for now. I'm not sure, maybe in the nearest future, maybe probably the next 2 months, 3 months, next year and the rest, it might not be free anymore. So you want to make sure you maximize this website. You have an offer, you have anything to write sales copy on. You can just write several sales copy on. Just copy it in your keep notes. Keep it somewhere. It's not every time that you say that I don't have time. I don't have time. These are the things that will really help your business grow very fast. And even though you don't want to you don't want to be relenting on but for your sales copy, you can use it for ideas. You can use it to do research. Just seven objections, like seven objection of sales copy, seven objection, seven objection for let me see something like, is it funnel course, web design, website development. Seven objection for, here are seven potential objections that might come up during the website development process. Cost, you see, cost, time frame. So these are the objection. Objection is like what is stopping people from taking action, what is stopping them from making the buying decision, scope, how it's going to work, quality. So the second that all these things, just do them. You can use them for research, use them for even your school and your classroom assignments. It will do a lot of stuff for you. It's very awesome. So my name is remain Michael Colid. Comment below if you still want me to do more of this video, maybe the part 2 or something. Then if you don't understand anything, make sure you comment. Comment below now and let me know what you want. If you are getting so much value, comment below as well, and you can share this video to your friends and families. So see you in my next video. My name is Michael Colid. Thank you.